In this video, we use our laser machine to help create this cool Deadpool badge and show you an awesome way to use masking material as a painting stencil.
For fun, I thought I'd create a Deadpool logo badge. I had some leftover black acrylic that already had a paper mask on it. I used the laser to lightly cut the design onto the mask and then fully cut out the circular badge. I planned on painting the detail on the badge, so I covered the eyes so no paint would get into that super thin vector cut. I then peeled the outer mask where I intended to spray red paint. I gave the badge a number of light coats of gloss red spray paint, letting each coat flash dry before adding the next coat. To prepare for the next round of painting, I removed the tape covering the eyes and then the eyes themselves. Since the eyes would get spray painted white, I then had to tape off all the red painted areas to protect them. The badge then got a few thin coats of gloss white spray paint. Then it was just a matter of peeling off the remaining tape and mask to reveal the final badge. Normally I would have just used vinyl sticker material on acrylic to create something like this, but I think this turned out really nice. Using the laser to create what I would call a temporary stencil worked out pretty well.
Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think and if you've ever thought about doing a project like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future projects. We have more laser projects coming soon. Stay tuned.